Hi guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to enable TikTok restrictive mode on the app itself. Very easy, very simple. Let's launch the TikTok app. Then I want you to hit the lower right corner where it says profile. Then I want you to go ahead and click on the three straight lines on the top right corner. Then I want you to hit settings and privacy. Then I want you to scroll down to the section content preferences. You want to click on it, and then I want you to click on restricted mode. This is where you actually turn on and off the restricted mode. Restricted mode essentially hides the videos that are potentially inappropriate, right? Doesn't follow the TikTok guidance, the TikTok policy. So if you want to turn this off, this means that you are going to expose yourself to each and every video that is published on the platform. This means that your experience will be unfiltered. Your experience might be good, might be bad, but I personally for myself have this off, so I will be able to see any type of content. Because when I do research and due diligence, I want to make sure that I am able to see any type of piece of content that was created, that was published, that was hyped, that was shared, liked, commented, right? So this is my point of view on the topic. But for you guys, this is how you can actually turn on and off restricted mode on TikTok. For more tips and tricks like this, subscribe and follow for more.